Hey, man, call
Never be in production. Baby, you're the two. Hey, Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea. Asemi, mini mushi gra. Asemi, hey, mini mushi, iye. Onyamina, nobody amamio. Onyamina, nobody amami, iye. Onibira, aodi nyankasem. Ankona, minyo dansi phobia. Ejo nyame, jewu ba fio woyimo. Ejo nyame, jewu ba fio woyimo. Kofi Nkrabea. Ejo nyame, jewu ba fio woyimo. Kofi Nkrabea. Ejo nyame, jewu ba fio woyimo. My infant so emani ho. Hey, Ejo nyame noa, nobody amawo. Me say my infant so emani ho. Ejo nyame noa, nobody amawo. Onibira. Ejo nyame, nobody amawo. Onibira. Ejo nyame, no mediama. Kofi. No mediama Kofi. No mediama Kofi Nkrabea. No mediama Kofi. No mediama Kofi Nkrabea. No mediama Message I don't think hey, Kofi Nkrabea. Hey, Bimba Jimio.
What are you wearing?
It's what I'm wearing part of your business.
But this is my issue.
Enzo.
Wow. What's it to me? Yeah. Whoa.
Look at you. Yeah. You can't even talk well. And I would dream any baba catch him say, me mashan to money boy shoe. I don't mean him bashan to money boy shoe, na say, me ma con crying. I could pimp a bowl buckets. Now I catch him say, Mamma Papa.
Na, who could measure?
Yeah, page my papa be. No junk or for one summer will come. I the baby me free by the minimum to money in Pabana machine. Ah? I'm winning. Me ma kon kran ko pay pabo 9 swan we wo bucket na ka che me say with the next time for assemble am
No mediama. Ejo nyame, no mediama.
Wow. small issue.
No, many a man. No, many a man. No, many a man.
PMS be no was what? One thing. How could you and you? What? One thing. Yeah. So I'm not come. Don't worry. She'll be very soon. My friend. Me bumper so much. I watch and do a benya couldn't be away. And a minimum, a bungee up, corner. A corner, and in your corner. Yea, and a coming. Yo, wound out the woman I am. What's the problem? Yo. Also, the woman I want, Menumia will do. That 1 hour may be out the bunch in Batubia. No one a day. So, using answer, see, baby, on the bunch of us, and yet Menumia will do. We promise. I'm just putting Menumia will do. That's something say, what's here? Then I am. I'm coming your day. That 1 hour may be out the bunch in Batubia. No one a day. Mamma saw me call the shed a bit. You know, I can't make your account. Now, come and my baby. When the old baby going out, that shed out. 1 hour may be out. Where am I?
You know you're a good boy and you are from a good home. So don't associate yourself with bad boys like here, okay? What I'm telling you, don't tell anybody. But I'll see you later.
What are you doing on my farm?
What did you say?
I asked, what are you doing on my farm?
Does this one belong to you? Huh? Does it belong to you?
Your father sold this land for me, and you have no right stepping on this land.
Hey, you are funny. Let me tell you, where have you ever heard that a man has a strong son like me, and he will sell his farm out? Look, it is only a fool who buy the land.
Yow, I am old enough to be your father, and if you dare insult me, I swear I'll beat the hell out of you.
So we'll fight.
Imagine me, Missy Bo, bring my Jimmy, bring my Jimmy, bring my Jimmy, Jimmy, Obimba Jimmy, Obimba Jimmy.
Auntie Sewa, what is the meaning of this?
Hey, what don't climb about the moon? What they fly? Papa must say no matter.
Cloth with you. Oh, and your back cry, and your one cry.
Me, my quack and crying. A quack would talk and Papa Bukiti. Now I'll catch him saying.
Also, Tony.
I still got on with Bukit.
No, me, ya the Pacrama. Ah, oh, and Papa Papa Nation. Oh, he, one Papa will hyena say, and I'll no be and Cabby and Chalkans.
Sana meba, acquire and a cheer who's son or kind. Made a dress in backroom and Montpellier.
But I want Papa wishing one of the nurses and already and your cry. Oh, by her.
Sit down time. I got him there. Near mission. The Mako would tell you Bukit now, got him there. Near mission. Never mean sure because I
Safwa, Anne, put you to Angway.
when I hold it now,
Me who you? Hey, Safwa, Tina Resan, put you to Angway.
it's when I hold it now,
Tina is not the critical coma, and then we are duku, so it's in you.
I don't like what you are doing. I don't like what you are doing.
Munim, you know, she be and then
go for share.
Yeah, baby.
My
I don't like that. I don't like that.
You
I don't like that.
You will like it.
You think you don't like that? About Bob and Jemmy. You can't do another category. You go down, but a bit when you one time. Una catch it. Be a better cruma. Be a better and you'll be a do with the and the beer or you cut away now because you'll be able to. Hey, no, men, yes, it's uncoming. You go to the end. I'll go share the car. That boy is in one.
Asantua, what are you afraid of? Just get pregnant for me. And you see my family. March it to the King's Palace. Tomorrow you for me.
Akwesi, it's not a matter of getting pregnant. I don't want to sleep with any man before getting married. If you remember, the tradition of this land does not even allow that.
Oh, don't you ever say that. You see, the laws of this land, they are not fair. Even all couples on this land sleep before getting married.
That's not true. My mom told me that she did not do anything with my father before getting married.
Oh, she won't tell the truth. I will, because it is necessary to know what your man or woman will be before marriage.
Okay, Akwesi. Let me start going before my mom starts looking for me.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Hey!
And your husband?
He's also fine.
We thank God. I've been wanting to speak to you
About
your son.
what about him?
Everybody's talking about him.
That
He has become very bad and is taking after his father.
you are a fool to say this to me. A boy being smart and you witches will not let him be. Go and tell the gossips in this village that I have already seen them and I'm waiting for them to come and tell me how my son is taking after his father. I will spit into their faces one after the other. Which is a
Hey. Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Missy Wo Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy,
Amen.
Hey, yo. Da. Jumpo mami nko na mni aduane mpo o ko eja na de.
Ba sam na mbom pa efe.
Ani e hwe ho.
Endro wanye bi. Na wo so aduane wo de obekọ first na ne obekọ na ke bi mu.
Nanka, ye wo. Nkyere mu, munim. Ah,
de le ba ko e be di o ba.
ase na ko bi. Ase ba. Ti si a me ka se ko ba ko no wati mienu. Se wanya di o. Se wa. Ya no.
Gago.
Ti si a no opportunity no wati mienu. Yo. Ati nam.
Pamene.
Wona fe nam na da ha no.
Pamene.
Desu ni wa menene kasa yie na menti bibi.
Mama mene.
Se wa.
Yeah.
Ofa nam na da no.
Mene we. Mama kese me da mene. Wafa. Ama. Enye nam na mene. Fi ko nya na fa. Wa mene. Wafa nam ne se sia. Wafa. Enam bo.
Na twina mi mo. Yaw. Enye o.
Wafa.
Ija den na mi dis ya.
Eja watch.
Ale.
Look at what your son has done to me.
Yaw.
Da.
Why be?
You be a.
Nya ni hwe. Ojina ile.
Jale.
Ah, what did you do?
Can't you see blood all over me?
My son will not make her blood on your sempa. We didn't do anything. Tina cause and for chama me pon didi mama nya fine. Sir,
Eja watch.
yeah.
Is that what you're telling me?
Asempa can make her then show. Me for say one.
What do you want him to tell you? What do you want him to tell you?
Sir?
Huh? What do you want him to tell you?
Kabichan, I'm not ready.
Eja watch. Your son has done this thing to me. And he didn't tell him anything. Or even ask what happened.
Kikachem.
It is your grandparents
Kikachem.
who will come asking what happened. Asampa, leave this compound before I pour hot water on you. You heard my mother. You heard my mother. Go out of this compound and never step foot on our farm again.
Hey, Asempa. I didn't hear why I who be. Go she baby na me hu. Oga aje me wan. Kola. You should atia bread. Is a senior who be that. Fear seeing who be. Say one no.
If I see you there next time, you only find a dead body.
Sir? Oshion.
Asempa, leave.
Eja watch.
Yeah?
Is that what you're telling me?
Asempa yanka den cho.
Get
I mean who be.
Go.
Ah.
Leave.
Matia bread. Some phone out chairman. Ah. The one why you cabbage to a good association who be ano.
Oh, no person will continue me, yes. No way. Because I'm
in the mammy Tibo moon.
Oh, down.
No, she and Mrs.
Watch it.
Yeah?
You must take that land from him. I've told you over and over again, but you don't want to listen.
Sarah, don't worry. He didn't even fulfill the agreement. I didn't take it from him. Definitely, MCC no, I mean,
you must go to Safwa's compound and face her very well. Wow. Because she hates you.
Oh, my bono. Hey, Bobono. Hey, Bobono rough. I can't for no on me name no baby. And I'm one job. For baby. Call me baby.
Hey. Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Missy Wo Bimba Jimmy, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio. Many mushy, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio. Hey, hey.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is your father in?
Hey, hey.
I'm coming on.
He's sleeping. Hey. You don't respect. I'll meet you. I'll see you.
Let him in.
Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio,
No.
Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio, Obim Majimio.
Look at me.
Hey, hey.
My daughter. What do you say about my daughter? No. Yo.
Hey, hey.
Ever since you became a kid, you don't look for me.
Oh, I've been searching for you, but I don't find you. So what can I offer you? I don't have such food
here. It's good for you. As a kid, you got the good. It's not good. Watching where there's somebody's food. Yes. At the same time, he went at somebody's pig. Pico. Your Highness, do something about it too.
Watch.
Yes, of course.
I thought he's your friend.
He's my friend. He's very stubborn.
Choklala. Please call me Watch.
Oh, your Highness, I'm leaving. Watch it. The bar. Don't worry. You just be watching. I'll go. beating Dada. I'm leaving knocking.
Is it because I'm calling Boachi?
No. Nah. You just go. I'll beat Dada. May you love. I'll leave. I'll be back soon. I'll be back, okay?
Hey, Jimmy,
this guy, what's the one you
Jimmy, Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea.
Ekwaku, why are you going very angry with yourself like that?
I'm very angry with you.
What have I done?
Have you forgotten the man who be coming today? Have you forgotten?
The good man. Kweku, I've not informed my father about the money issue.
Kofi, do you know you are not serious?
Kweku, okay, listen. Tell the man I've traveled. I'll be coming tomorrow so that I can inform my father about it.
You've traveled. But you are here.
I beg.
Hurry home and talk to him now. Business is business. And remember, when your father dies, you will get no share of his properties. All will be going to acquire your cousin. So, I'm going to tell the man to wait till tomorrow, okay? Now go!
Me catch him, Papa. Me ba me with you.
Asempa, did my son not warn you never to step foot on this farm again, Asempa? Hey. Minindi pane kasana na media. Asempa, didn't I chairman?
Watch it. Kasa, I do not want this land to become a problem between us. Because you are very good.
Take off your hands. We are not friends. As long as you come on this land, pretend you don't have not fulfilled the agreement. This was an enemy.
We made an agreement.
Asempa, I'm not fulfilled the agreement. You just give me back my land. You know what? I'm warning you for the last time. Not coming back on this again.
Never will I hand over my sweat for you to enjoy.
him to buy me drink. As you can see, I'm fine. I came to tell him what I saw last night.
He's sleeping, so I will tell him that later.
Pray that by the time you wake up, I will not forget. But when Nkrabea comes, tell him that you should come and see me.
I will tell him that to Peninja.
Hey, don't call me Peninja. Because with this body, I don't know whether I'm a penny or a rancher. But I know I have news for some people.
Is there any food at home?
Oh, can you just prepare some pity for the old man? And I asked her to leave some for you.
Thank you. I'm really starving. Let me go and get some food to eat.
No,
Papa.
Share. My man can sing. I do one. And Radi and I am not.
Share. Kofi Nkrabea.
But you know, Nkrabea really loves the cocoa farm.
Yes, he does. I do know something. I will let him work for me. When his father dies, he will do everything for me.
That is more reason why you have to get serious with that farm. Because your uncle is very old and has few years to go. I mean, few days to go.
But I've been going to the farm.
What Nkrabea does then? Look, if you don't get serious with that farm, he will give everything to his son. Everything.
They're not on this land. Hey, the family will take everything from me because I'm the one to inherit my uncle.
It will take a single soul to change the costume of the day.
Not my time.
You see, I'm having some duty to perform at home. So I'll meet you later. Go see. Go. Oh dear, Bruna na go. Kosuna brosa, ebe mo ai. E wi kete se na abro. O shiba. O jobu. Dia ma nyam yo, ya ma ye. O shiba kwaku.
This morning, and I wanted you to tell you to go to the plantation farm and see how work is going on.
Oh, Papa, I went there this morning before coming, and they are really doing a good job.
That's good. Kofi,
Papa,
I have something to tell you. You know you are my only son, and I wish I can owe everything I have for you. But the customs and tradition of this land does not permit that. But I have one thing to give you. Kneel down. I wish you may never go hungry, and anything you touch with your hands bring you joy. Amen.
Amen.
But then I'll be in there. Kofi, I'm going to visit my friend, and I'll be right back.
Okay. Imagine you. Bim Bajimio. Hey, hey.
What did you say?
Don't want it.
Look at him. Look at you. Calling me Dombote.
Hey, I should call you. Don't want it.
The next time I hear you calling me Dombote, I will slap you.
I'm sorry. Don't want it.
Hey! I'll go.
What do you want?
I'm looking for your son.
What do you want from my son?
I have been told that he came to take my basket of cassava.
Yes, he brought it home as a punishment for you gossiping about him. And where do you think you are going?
I'm going to your kitchen to take my cassava.
If you are a woman like me, enter that kitchen. I will call my son to come and beat you. And he will make sure he beats you till you die.
So why won't you and your family let the people in this village have their peace of mind, eh?
I said if you are a woman like me, enter that kitchen.
Do you think I'm afraid of you? I don't know what is wrong with you and your son, you and your family. I don't even know what is wrong with you. I'm begging. Let me go and take my cassava.
Where do you think I will? Eh? Look at you. Abu, what is so? Should the idea go through so? Should the idea go through so? Instead the piano wa boduki. Send a bear you. You do kuno, none to kronga, ne be a who true. So what Abra what to say so would you book you through? What day you? Why can't through go? Now do quabos. Oh, don't botte. Abra don't botte. Who don't botte? Don't botte.
Hey, hey, Bim Bajimio. Bim Bajimio. Bim Bajimio. Mew, Missy Wo Bim Bajimio. Bim Bajimio.
Trying to tell me that all these years we've lived on this land, you don't know the tradition that all what your father is having will be going to Akwisi.
I know, but all what I was trying to say was that you could at least give me one of his farms so that I can leave one day when he dies.
Sir, that is why I was telling you to take some money from him so that you start the goat business.
I've seriously thought about that, but I don't know. Anytime I go closer to it, I don't know how to start it.
I'll help you. Follow me.
Where?
Share. Follow me. You don't.
Oh.
Papa, I would rather die than to see Asem enjoy my labor.
Abuache, which labor are you talking about?
Papa, my land. And I have stopped him from going on to it. But he won't. As what thing?
Abuache, but you gave it to him for a price.
Papa, he hasn't paid the price.
That is because he's still working on the land to raise money for you. You know that Asempa has been your friend for years. And you must not let that land separate you.
Papa, I have come to you
to speak to him as an elder person in this village. Else, not live to see the next day.
Abuaje, but that's not a good thing to say.
According to my hearing, I want to Sappho's house to take her basket of cassava because she goes around spreading that Yao is taking after his father.
Sappho, you go around this village spreading the boy's name is taken after his father. Why do you have to do that? And you, Sawa, you sent your son to go for Sappho's basket of cassava to serve as a punishment of she gossiping about him. The next time such an incident happens, you have to consult me. No, the third. So I will appoint one of my elders to investigate the issue.
Thank you, Nana.
Ochame, please tell Nana that anytime I meet Sewa and her son, Nanaya, they will start calling me Dombote. And I don't understand why they are calling me Dombote, so please ask them for me.
Hey, Sewa, be on your feet.
Hey, Sewa, put your hands down.
Do you think you're in your house? Huh? Don't you know you're in the palace? I could swallow a crocodile.
I won't hear the bands on any. Eh, 20 never ago. Count.
And your son in Papa.
And Tia, when you Musuba said, Papa, Nenimpa at a table.
Sawa, why do you call her Dombote?
Let her remove her scarf, you understand? Is the name written on her hair? Huh?
Nana, if it was left with that situation, please, let's leave the matter.
Okay, Hawa and Kaunka. If you said Sunny Eddie are grown.
Our elder says that a hen does not lay egg in public, but if it raises some difficulties, it lays in public. So remove your scarf.
And you Mokokana.
Hey, yeah, Galop Rajo.
Dinungumu.
Yeah.
So now, Sewa, why do you call her Dombote?
My son told me that a certain man plays football. This is how his hair is. He's called Dombote. So we should call her Dombote.
Don
Bote. Yes. My father told me I should call her Dombote. When I saw her, I thought she was going to play for the black princesses.
Sewa, leave my palace. Kojo, if you had 4 of your types in this village, you wouldn't have suffered. Keep it up.
Nana, damn, come on, if you say, assembly say back. Trust in and can't see a flashing.
Nana Yampo, say Jab watching and Nunkofun, say you can be passed when I do 5 1 bush.
If you say a mom with Chamso, it's don't pen on me, O Kroma.
Wache was here, and I'm sure you know what I'm going to talk about.
Papa, I do not understand Wache. He asked me to take the land because it was difficult to work on. I agreed and I gave him some cash, thinking I will be able to pay all if I work hard on the land. It's 6 months' time. I didn't pay him because the crops are not hearing. Boachi came back asking me to give him back the land so that he refund my money.
Asempa, did you discuss with him that he will pay half and pay the rest after the crops have yield?
No.
If he may send this to the chief, you will lose that farm.
I will not allow him to take the land from me because I have worked hard on the land to get to where it is now.
But I was going to suggest you share that land with him. After all, he's your friend.
Papa, Boachi is a cheat, and it is about time someone show him that he cannot take everybody for granted.
Asem, we all know Boachi, but this issue will not teach him any lesson. I'll not waste much of your time. You go home, and if the suggestion is okay for you, I'll invite Boachi and discuss it with him.
Thank you for calling.
Yeah.
Who opened the Pawan base for you early this morning?
I brewed it myself.
Since when do you start?
I have a tapper anytime I don't have money. And it gives me 1 gallon.
1 gallon?
Yes.
That is too much for you to keep. You know something? I like you when you are not drunk than when you are drunk.
Hey, Asempa. So I can't say power. That is what a lot of people say. But I like you also very much, and I hate Boachi with all the passion in me.
I know you hate Boachi for what he did to you. After all, he's my friend.
He's not your friend. He's not his son. But I've done this to you. And believe me, he will do all that he can to make sure he gets that land back from you.
I know Boachi will not reason to come for the land from me.
You will never reason. There is no need for you to tie to that land because he will surely take it from you. That land, I've gone too many people's land. So take your rest, huh? Simple.
You don't worry. The sun will soon rise. I'm going to farm.
I can beat them. Even their fathers.
But the goal was nice.
The goal was very nice. But do you remember the one that the referee said offside?
She didn't allow me.
Oh, I told you she will not. Don't think of it. She will not allow you.
It doesn't mean there's no chance for me.
There is no chance. This boy cried. There is no chance.
Let me tell you something. You see, the whole thing is a formula you give her. Why it is necessary to do it. And as she walks back home, she'll be thinking about all the formulas. Then, when you are relaxing, she'll start calling for the shots. Let's go home and see if Kune has prepared there. Banku and the okra still
that
move.
Is my favorite. Number one. Don't sit. Let's go. Let's go.
This is the way to you.
Oh yes, I know. But we made a deal that we are going to your house to go and eat my favorite.
Ah, don't you have parents?
I'm having parents, right?
I beg you, that's it with you.
Ah, we are going to your house. So are you sacking me? So you don't remember the last time you came to eat my house?
Oh, Fufu Amudi Namo can't control moi. Hey! Go, okay. We shall meet later.
Ochna Subi.
What did you just call me?
Jamote.
How did you call me?
Jamote.
Repeat it again.
Jamote.
Again.
Auntie Safwa.
So you knew how to call my name. By the way, who told you to call me Dombote?
It is Kojo. Who said I should call you Jamote?
You again. Didn't I tell you not to call me Dombote?
You don't really like calling Jamote. So, I tell you, shoo. I tell you call Jamote.
When I warned you, what did I say I'll do to you?
You.
That's it. I'll do it more if you ever call me Dombote.
No. Jamote.
Hey!
So you knew she was slapping and you let me call her Jamote. What's that?